Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to recover a hacked social media account quickly and safely before you lose control of it completely. If this video helped, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. Getting hacked can feel stressful, but most platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok have recovery systems that can help you get your account back if you act fast. Step 1. Try to log in immediately. First, go to the login page of your account, for example, Instagram. Try entering your email, username, and password. If it still works, immediately change your password and log out of all devices to remove anyone else who might be inside your account. Key step 2. Use Forgot Password option. If you can't log in, click Forgot Password. This will send a reset link to your email or phone number. If the hacker hasn't changed your recovery details, you can reset your password and regain access quickly. Email step 3. Check your email for security alerts. Most social media platforms send alerts when suspicious activity happens. For example, Instagram might send emails like "New login detected," "Email changed," "Password changed." If you see messages like this, click "This wasn't me" or "Secure your account" immediately. SOS Step 4. Use Account Recovery page. If the hacker changed your login details, go to the official recovery page of the platform, for example, Instagram Help Center or Facebook Account Recovery. From there, you may need to verify your identity, confirm your email or phone number, follow recovery steps provided by the platform. Shield Step 5. Contact support directly. If nothing works, contact the platform's support team directly. Explain that your account was hacked and provide any proof that it belongs to you. Lock Step 6. Secure your account after recovery. Once you get your account back, make sure to secure it properly. Change your password to a strong one. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Remove unknown devices, and check linked email and phone number. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps the channel a lot.